The only border between Russia and the United States is technically unresolved. Here it is between Alaska and the Chukchi Peninsula. It's the Bering Strait, just 82 kilometers wide at its narrowest point. And two islands sit in the middle, the Diomede, and the US-Russia maritime boundary and the international dateline runs right through it. So this is the only sea link between the Arctic and the Pacific, which alone would give it a huge amount of military and economic significance. So for Russia, the Bering Strait is the gateway to their northern sea route. So this is the way that they can transport Arctic energy resources they extract into Asian markets. Plus, around 1/3 of Russia's sea-based nuclear deterrent is under the command of their Pacific Fleet, which is in this area. And if that fleet ever needed to be reinforced by Russia's larger Arctic fleet, this is the route that they would choose. So China calls itself a near-Arctic state. Consult your map and decide for yourself, and has been ramping up presence here, which is deliberate signalling. It's part tit for tat to the United States because they've been ramping up their activity in the South China Sea and also testing ships in a more extreme environment. Plus, Russian and Chinese joint military exercises here have been increasing in recent years, especially since Russia's invasion of Ukraine. And that's sending a message to America that you will not have a monopoly here. As far as the US is concerned, this strait is obviously about protecting Alaska and its coastline, freedom of navigation, and also denying Russian and Chinese ships uncontested access. So back to what I said at the beginning, in 1990, the US and the USSR agreed a maritime boundary, the Baker-Shevardnadze line. The US ratified it, but after the Soviet Union collapsed, the Russian Duma never did. So not formally enforced, though respected in practice.